In the cheerful land of Tummytown, every meal was a celebration. The streets were lined with bread-shaped houses, cheese lampposts glowed at night, and the rivers sparkled with lemonade. Every year, the people of Tummytown held the Great Food Festival, a day when all the food groups came together to show what they do best for the body. This year's host was the always smiling Mayor Appleton, who wore a bright green hat and carried a basket full of fruits. "Welcome, everyone," he announced. "Today, we'll meet the 6 wonderful families of food that keep our bodies strong, healthy, and full of energy." The crowd cheered. "Let the parade begin." Rolling down the street first came Captain Carbohydrate and his team: bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, and oats. They marched proudly with flowery flags fluttering behind them. Captain Carbohydrate shouted, "We give your body energy to run, jump, dance, and play all day." The children clapped as bread flipped into the air, rice juggled grains, and pasta twirled like spaghetti noodles. Mayor Appleton smiled. "Carbohydrates are your body's fuel. Without them, you'd feel tired and weak." The crowd shouted, "Thank you, Carbs!" Next came the Strength Squad, led by Sergeant Protein, a strong, smiling egg with big muscles and a chef's hat. Marching beside him were fish, chicken, beans, milk, and nuts. Sergeant Protein bellowed, "We help your body grow and repair muscles." Fish swam through a wave-shaped float, chicken flapped proudly, and beans bounced up and down like tiny gym trainers. "When you get a cut," said Mayor Appleton, "proteins help heal you. When you grow taller, proteins help build your bones and muscles." The children flexed their arms. "Thank you, Protein Power." Then came the fantastic fats. Leading the way was Miss Olive Oil, wearing a shiny yellow gown. Beside her danced butter, avocado, cheese, and nuts, who also helped the protein team. "Don't fear us," Miss Olive Oil said kindly. "We give you extra energy, keep you warm, and protect your organs." Butter twirled smoothly, avocado winked proudly, and cheese rolled down the street like a happy wheel. Mayor Appleton nodded. "But remember, too much fat isn't healthy, a little is just right." The crowd chanted, "Fats keep us warm and strong all day long." A burst of colour filled the sky as the Glow Gang arrived, bright fruits and vegetables sparkling under the sun. Leading them was Queen Vitamin C, an orange wearing a glittery crown. She was joined by banana, carrot, spinach, mango, and broccoli. "We help you stay healthy, fight sickness, and make your skin, eyes, and hair glow," said Queen C proudly. Carrot shouted, "Vitamin A helps your eyes see in the dark." Banana giggled, "Vitamin B gives you energy." Spinach flexed, "Vitamin K keeps your blood healthy." The children cheered, "Go, Glow Gang, go!" Then came the mighty minerals, led by Sir Calcium, a tall glass of milk wearing a silver armour and carrying a bone-shaped sword. His team, iron the spinach leaf, zinc the cashew, iodine the salt crystal, and potassium the banana, marched behind him proudly. Sir Calcium boomed, "We make your bones and teeth strong and your blood and muscles healthy. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!"